Buildings have always lent skylines to numerous cities across the globe, and increasingly they are becoming icons of creative infrastructure. The fact that these very buildings emit 19% of energy-related greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions and are responsible for 32% of global energy consumption suddenly put things in a different perspective. It is estimated that India will have more than 100 billion square feet of constructed space by 2030. Interestingly, 80% of these buildings are yet to be built. This puts India in a remarkable position to pursue and demonstrate a path of green construction and operation of buildings. Oorja Energy Engineering Services Private Limited, a Hyderabad-based company focused on providing energy-efficient solutions for commercial and industrial establishments, have recognized this opportunity. They have developed an innovative technology, radiant cooling solution, to significantly reduce the cooling energy consumption and its associated carbon footprint, which are responsible for 55% of energy consumption in this sector. Intriguingly, distribution of cooling, which is a significant contributor to energy consumption in commercial buildings, remains a neglected area. Oorja Energy's radiant cooling solution addresses exactly this overlooked aspect, focusing on increasing efficiencies in cooling distribution. This solution involves turning surfaces in the room, like the floor or ceiling, into a heat sink that absorbs the sensible heat in the room by embedding pipes in them, instead of blowing the air over a heat exchanger as is done in a conventional air handling unit. Being at a lower temperature than the heat sources in space, these embedded pipes absorb the heat radiated from surfaces like walls, glazing, furniture, etc. These pipes have chilled water circulating in them, and the heat is finally transmitted to the water flowing in these pipes. The heat thus taken away is rejected to the ambient using a chiller. In addition to floor cooling, Oorja also offers radiant cooling solutions for walls and ceilings by placing the heat exchange panels in the room itself. Conventional centralized HVAC system using chillers and AHUs requires chilled water supply at 7 degrees Celsius, as compared to Oorja's radiant cooling system that can operate at chilled water supply between 16 to 20 degrees Celsius, leading to significant savings in the power consumed by the compressor, as the compressor has to work more to produce chilled water at 7 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, the solution does not require a high-powered motor to transport large volume of air through the ducts, offering a reduction of 30% in energy consumption. Thus, Oorja offers a financially viable solution that can pay back the cost in less than 3 years depending on the nature of the project.
Savings towards the energy is phenomenal. Example, if you compare with a conventional system, this technology, it's giving somewhere around 20 to 30% of energy savings in terms of power consumption.
In addition to lower energy consumption, the system comes with many other benefits.
The indoor air quality has improved now. We see people are very energetic. People were very comfortable because uniformity, the productivity also improved.
With lower energy consumption, uniform comfort, better indoor air quality and reduced noise, radiant cooling solution thus provides a sustainable way to cool our ever-increasing energy-guzzling buildings. If this system is implemented globally, it can mitigate 30 million tons of GHG emissions by 2025.